Hello everybody, welcome back to Yags3world. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert any document file into PDF with just one click. So if you're ready, let me show you how. You just need to open Google and write doc to PDF and then I love PDF and click on the first website where you just have to drag and drop your document file. For example, suppose here is my document file. I'm having this document file and I'm going to drag and drop here on this website and click on convert to PDF. This website will automatically convert my document to PDF and I don't have to click on the download PDF because this website will automatically download that document or PDF file for me, just like this. And I just need to hit enter button and you can see my PDF file is here. So that's it for today. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and be happy. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe this channel and press the notification bell so that you cannot miss our latest uploaded videos.